Hi there, Eric here. Today we have a special guest. This thing. Now, you won't usually see me opening up a camera, let alone a Canon. I've never opened any cameras in my whole life. So, the problem with this is that, that. But also, keypad has some problems. See? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tear this down. But first let me open up a guide. Okay, so the guide says to open the screws in this. It is scary. Is there any screws behind this?
I don't know.
God, my screwdriver is too big. Oh god. Oh, wait. Oh. Perfect. Oh yeah, little disclaimer by the way. Don't use this as a tutorial. I've never opened a Canon again. If you do use this as a tutorial, maybe expect some bonus screws at the end. Hopefully not though. Second one out. I think we should organize the screws so I don't lose them. Okay, continuing on. Screws organized. Maybe don't mix them into one bag, you know. Maybe have different trays.
Yes, wait.
Hey, I found
No, it's the same.
the trays that I'll put the screwdrivers in. I know, I don't have proper trays. I have a Note Motorola and a Betamax tape. I know. Anyways, it's hard to work when you have a tripod between your arms. Get up. Okay. Around the viewfinder is detached. This door is so annoying. Why is this door not closing? Close. So what else? Okay, the back of the body. I only found those. How the hell do you...
Hello.
Yeah, there are screws behind this.
Maybe.
Try to open.
Wait.
I'm not gonna use this.
I don't know.
Wait.
You mean this?
Okay, guys.
Maybe.
Hey, found a cutter. Carefully. Right. She's so sketched, dude.
Oh, very.
Okay. Nice. Got it open. So how will you glue this back?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Ah, that's crusty.
Scary.
Oh, my light. Okay, perfect. Oh, that's crusty. Okay, we got through that. What's next? I don't know, I think we can just open this. Oh wait, I'm stupid. There are still some more screws. Yeah, it's disgusting.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
So, oops, warranty for it. I'm opening as many screws as I can see. That one's quite short. I think We need this. I think we need to disassemble this one too. Oh wow, great view of it. Terrifying.
Yeah, but
I'm glad Canon didn't use those proprietary screws that need, well, its own screwdriver, tri-wing,
yeah.
or some stupid star-shaped. Okay, take that. Hey, don't forget where all the screws are gonna be. Okay,
Yes.
we have the video if we were to lose screws. This one's different. There. Oh, I got a little bit of fun fact. This camera was the perfect beginner's camera back in like 2009.
Yeah. Oh.
I don't think it's getting loose though. Oh,
There are scrap.
you're still screwed.
Okay.
Look at the guide. Look. God, this is so hard to take out. Look near the screws. It's crusty. Is this out already? Oh, it is. Oh, I think the panel's coming up. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, that's scary.
Very scary.
Something's still holding it though.
Yeah.
Um.
On the body.
Oh,
Yeah.
perfect.
Commander, yes. And then the battery.
I think. No, I think you have to take these two off. God damn it, Canon, you asshole. Oh, God. I need grip. This is dedication. Look at that grime on the screw. Okay, closer look. Put that there. How are we supposed to remember where those will be? When will it be the last screw, man? I'm tired of unscrewing all these. Okay, that one out. Well, problem is these are different lengths. Oh,
Scary.
oh. Is that bueno or no bueno? How do you open this? Ah, finally some resolution. Get it?
Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Second.
Well, that's useless. Okay. See this old thread. Okay. So it looks like we have some more screws. Very tricky to get to. Yeah. Ah, God. This one's tricky. Works. Oh no! The screw fell. Oh, there it is. Perfect. We put this here. Alright, alright. Okay,
That's the
okay,
oven.
we're going
Yeah.
somewhere, we're going somewhere. Hey, this is actually pretty good. Oh, what? I'm using different screwdrivers as if it helps. Does this affect? Does that one matter? Because I think that one holds the main board. That is super scary. Look. I'll take a quick zoom. The camera's overheating a bit. It's warm. Warming up. Oh, how do I get it out entirely though? I think there's still something holding this. There's nothing
SD
here. Yeah, I should
memory
take
card?
it out.
Yeah, get out.
Adapter. Wow. Let me take a minute to figure this out. Alright, so after some prying, got it open. Haha. And here it goes. Wow, that's the Digic 4 inside there, I think. It's the Digic 4 processor. Wow, it's scary. So where's the thing? Oh, here it is. Here is the replacement part, and the part that we're gonna replace. I think we should disconnect.
Yes, the
Perfect.
very perfect.
So where the hell does
On the
the?
back.
So we have to unscrew stuff then. Think they're behind this plate.
Very scary.
Your screwdriver. What the hell is wrong with your
Probably
screwdriver?
very.
Not working.
Yeah, not working. Nah, yeah.
Oh,
Ada.
I have the accuracy of a. What am I looking at? It's not opening. What? What the hell? I think we only need to open this one.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, there you go. You got it budging. There you go. Oh no. My tripod's so dangerous. God. Think. Oh, not yet. Are we? Okay.
Okay, open.
Alright. Look at the bajillions of screws over there. Okay. Oh, we need to. Okay. So I just have to unscrew this other one.
Where is it?
Gonna need some force to get closer. Another one. I think I'll need this again.
Ow. Very scary.
Careful, careful.
Yes, and then yeah.
Careful. Ah, figured out something. I think you have to
Open the
disconnect this one.
flexible.
How do I disconnect this?
Open the flexible.
Disconnect this. Hello, sir. I want to disconnect this. Why isn't this disconnecting? Oh, wait a minute. This is working.
How working? Yeah.
God, I'm sweating like pig. Gotta disconnect this one. Oh.
Yeah.
This is so fragile. That's the thing though. Does this affect the connection? No, right?
Yes.
It doesn't affect the connection. Well, what the hell? It should open up, but it doesn't. Or am I stupid? It's just gonna take some long while. I'll see you again when we figure out something. Okay, we looked at a video, so it looks like, yep, success. And so, oh, we have another screw. We missed another. So many screws, I hope I remember where to put them. Alright. And we should just be able to lift this up. God. There you go. Hey. Get up. Okay. Turns out there's still no. There's still the flexible. Woohoo! Okay. So how do we replace that? What, do we just peel this off?
There are glue.
Yeah, I think just peel this off. This will connect right in there. Peel this off?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, this is hard. Oh yeah, there's glue.
Yeah, there are glue.
Oh, terrible. Okay. Where's the prior? The prior tool. Why is it not in focus?
Oh. Okay.
This is my trusty prior. This a Telkomsel card. Don't ask why. We went so far just to replace this little dingle dongle. Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh, there's the glue. Oh. Okay. Peeling it off.
Yeah. Open.
Perfect. So this, I'll save this for a souvenir.
Yeah, my souvenir.
Just peel. Oh, it broke. Disgusting. Okay, so we apply the new one.
The glue. Open the
Should
glue.
be like that. I know. I'm just positioning.
Oh yeah.
I should sit down. This is tiring. So, nobody breathe.
Precision, then okay. Yeah, precision.
I didn't breathe. Okay, I think this is perfect. What now? This is a mess. So we connect this again.
Yeah, connect again. Oh.
stuck.
The,
This jumble of
okay.
flexible thingamabobs.
Stopping for.
Okay, so got that piece in. So now we put everything back together. Hey, I deserve a brick. Okay, let's get back to work. And then lock it in.
Okay.
Ha 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 ha. Okay, so we put this in. Huh? Oh,
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
my Canon doesn't go that way.
Okay. Let's go on.
Where's the cover? It needs the
No,
cover
it's-
to
it's the cover.
turn on because it
Okay.
has a sensor. I think we can just bypass the sensor. It doesn't really even need that. Okay. Whoa, this is sketch. Whoa! Whoa! Genius.
Very genius.
My camera's dying, but you
And
are saved.
that's the keypad.
Okay. Whoa.
Wow!
It works.
It works.
Okay, while we're at it, let's set the. Okay, never mind. It'll just get reset anyways.
Okay.
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 All right.
Okay,
Hey.
Good.
No card.
Yeah.
Okay, let's insert the card.
Okay,
in.
let's do it.
Let's do a bit of test. Just to make sure before we put everything back together. Oh, wait. I'm so stupid. It doesn't even need to go inside
Yeah, right.
the face, the plate.
Yeah.
Ah, it doesn't go in.
Oh.
Okay, there you go.
Let's carry.
Where is it? Hey.
Okay.
Set
And
it
then,
on again.
let's do. Yeah, good.
Let's check. Ah, there is no image
Okay.
here.
Good. Yeah.
So, can we take a pic?
Yeah. Ooh, it's warm.
That's crispy. Okay, let's test the buttons.
Okay.
Alright, the erase button is over here. Wow, different layout makes me confused.
Oh,
Pretty much works.
good. It's warm. Yeah.
Okay, so let's put everything back together.
Okay.
Okay, so I did put it back. At least I almost. We have 2 bonus screws here. None of them fit in any of these. But let's test it again. No wait, I'm stupid.
Yeah. Very stupid.
Okay. Hey, at least it works.
Yeah, well, yeah.
So, bonus screws. Perfect. Again, I told you something about not following this as a tutorial. Here's the SD card. Or I'm blind. God. Haha! Amazing! Nobody's gonna notice. Nobody's gonna notice. Come on. Nobody's gonna notice. Where's the lens? Need a lens.
Oh yeah. There's a lens.
We have to be careful here.
Okay.
Oh, it's on.
Oh,
Oh,
that one, yeah.
wow.
Oh.
Wow. Great. It works just fine.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Very perfect.
So, what you gonna do with these?
I don't
Just save them at home. Maybe they're gonna be useful later. Okay.
know.
Save it on this ziploc right here.
Okay.
I'll turn that off. So, quite a success. But 2 bonus screws. Hey, I mean, at least you don't have to pay for this, am I right?
Yeah.
It's free.
Yeah.
I mean, come on. It's free.
Yes, thank
Come
you,
on.
thank you.
And so we're good to go. Look at that beautiful lens there. Whoa. Great. So if you're still here, maybe consider liking and subscribing. All the Ultra Bang. And see you next video.